Ryan Knights here for Extreme Vision Reviews. I posted a video yesterday. I was going out to try to get some flight time in. It's like as soon as I set up and was getting ready to fly, the wind picked up. I mean, while I was bringing everything out there and setting and trying to get stuff set up, there was no wind. I mean, it was perfect. I mean, nothing. I mean, it was a perfect day to fly. Well, as soon as I had to come back to the house to pick. I forgot a few things. Had to walk all the way back to the house. Then on my way back out, the wind started to pick back up. And I mean, we was getting about 12-mile-an-hour winds yesterday, and it sucked because none of my drones would fly. I mean, the H-26 and the F-10 were the worst. I mean, they could not hold up to the wind at all. I mean, as soon as they got in the air, they were gone. I mean, I had a lot of video of me just walking around. You know, they go up, fly off, me get up, go walk, pick it up, bring it back, and there was a lot of video of me walking pretty much. You didn't get to see a lot of drone flying, so there's no point in me even trying to post it. The Sigma X8, it didn't hold up to the wind either. It kept taking off. So the wind was bad enough to where none of them would hold up. The Venom Pro, it will fight the wind tooth and nail. And I like the fact that it does that. It will hold its ground or attempt to, especially in higher mile-an-hour winds. But when if you're facing the wind, it tilts to try to fight that wind. So automatically, you try to go forward, it's not going to go forward anymore because it's already tilted, and all it's going to do is drop. It's not going to actually go forward because it's already fighting the wind as much as it can. So that was the biggest issue with it. But at least it tried versus the rest of them, there was no control. I mean, none. The X8 out of the rest of them did better than any besides the Venom Pro. It was probably the second best flying one against the wind. The 506 didn't hold up very well. The H-26 and the F-10 were probably the worst ones. If I had to take a guess, I'd say the F-10 probably, it didn't hold up at all. I mean, it was horrible. In fact, I lost a lot of the propeller caps because of it slamming into the ground because of the wind. So it was just a bad day. But today looks good. There's hardly any wind. I'm going to attempt it again today, so we'll see how it goes. But this is Ryan Knights. I'll see you guys later.